What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back for another video out in Long Beach. I'm hitting up as many Nike outlets today as possible before their 20% off sale ends. Let's go. Trying to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible. All right. Last day of the 20% off sale. I've been hitting up the back wall immediately whenever I've gone to these places, but this place has been open for like, what, a couple hours? So we're gonna start with the apparel section. What is this, Nike Tech Fleece? Is this Tech? Triple XL, that's what it is. $145. This is all 20% off, and then for members, get an extra 20 off. And I'm sure every one of you guys are members. So some more Tech Fleece. What's the price on these? I don't see any prices. What the hell? Poofy jacket, $100 for these. There's no deals here? What's going on, dude? It's got a Jordan bomber jacket going for $250. Nike t-shirts, $30. What the hell? Dang, dude. Like, you know, the 20 and 20 makes it a decent deal, but nothing crazy, dude. $55 for this polo. It's an XL. Got some Jordan clot pants right here. Remember this coming out. I think these came out with the Clot 5s, I think. The Jordan 5 Clots. But yeah, $100 for these bad boys. Do get that 20 and 20 off, so it's going to be, what, $62, something like that. Not bad. Whenever you see something that's like 20% off and then 20% off, it's not the same as 40% off. It's pretty close. It is compounded, so don't get the really good deal, but still almost 40% off. $60 for these Nike golf pants. These are always hella pricey. UCLA. What is this? UCLA sweats right here, $65. Apparel deal's been kind of whatever. All right, let's go to the back wall over here. Starting with the size 14, Big Feet Gang with the steel right here, $85 for the Billie Eilish Air Force Ones right here, $85, and then you get another 20 and 20 off. That's kind of insane. This kind of reminds me of like one of those straight jackets that the insane people have to wear. $85 for those. Size 15 right here with some Max R's go for $80. Mids right here go for $125. Got a couple of them size 14s. Terminators, I thought these were dogs. Got some Terminators right here going for retail. In these, like every outlet, the $100 for these on the size 13. Got some Air Max 2017s right here going for, I have a feeling it's going to be way too much. Yeah, $165, way too much. Even with the discounts, I feel like we've seen it for way cheaper. $115 for those. These going for retail. I just saw these for cheaper at one of the other outlets. Blazers University Blue going for $50. $50, so you get 20 and 20 off. So you're going to pay under $30 for University Blue Blazer mids. That's what's up. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s. Okay, going for $110. Air Force highs right here. Got these going for $120. So I guess 14 or 13 and over. They did the extended size pricing to get rid of those. Size 11. Do got the Prestos. These are the Hello Kitty Prestos, if that's your thing right there. $100. Prestos are only full sizes. Sometimes they do the small, medium, large, but yeah, those are full sizes. $180 for these. I feel like we've been seeing those cheaper. Air More Up Tempo. Got the Vapor Elite 15s. Air More Up Tempo colorway, I guess. That's pretty fire. $250. That's pricey as hell. 11.5 a wheat colorway. $150 for the Air Force One. That's crazy. Patriots Pegasus 40s right here. Go for retail though. At least we do get that 20 and 20 for today. Today's the last day, so hopefully you guys caught my videos. I'm gonna make a short talking about that right now. $100 for those size 11. Dearth of Jordan retros. I think all the resellers are buying them up because yeah, you could sell them for under retail. That's probably what's going on. That's $115 for these. And the size 10, $70. $120 for these. I just don't like that colorway. Would I ever wear this? I don't know. A lot going on. Damn, the 20 and 20 just makes these so cheap. I bought so many jerseys this week. I'm trying to lay low. $85 for those in a size 10. These going for way too much. $155. Go to the clearance store if you need these. I guess with extra discounts, maybe. That one doesn't have a price tag. 9.5 Next Nature's going for $100. Blazers, 95 for these. Someone dropping sneakers. Usually me, but that's not me this time. Size H just blazing through the back wall right here. $110 for these. The Blazer low acronyms, and supposedly you can download the software and you can make your own 3D printed portion back here. I remember them talking about that when these first came out. These are weird though. Definitely weird. 110. 8015's going for the full 150, but at least you get the 2020. Just not much in the back end, dude. Just not much. $130 for those. Size 7. Still got these right here. All right, let's go check out the aisles, and I need to check out the backpacks here. On feet today, black cement 3s. I haven't worn these in forever. That mirror is dirty. But yeah, dude, got some black cements on. And I think these are top 3 favorite sneakers that I do have. I freaking love these. And then did throw on some bull shorts. Grabbed these Mitchell and S shorts. I think they're for like $20 or something. Got it for hella cheap. I did bring my backpack, and I'll show you guys in a minute why. All right, we are checking out the aisles now. Gonna see a ton of Air Force Ones, a ton of Air Maxes. This is the 4 Horsemen one right here. Utilities that nobody's picking up. Prices on these gonna keep falling. Got them all white bad boys right here. We've been seeing these Air Spans. I'm gonna skip those. 2017s, bright crimson, hella bright. Light bone colorway. They have 2 different gray ones, a light gray and a dark gray. Black ones right here. 270s, Air Max 97. Seen these everywhere. Blazer mids, jumbo mids with the hella big Nike swoosh. Blazer low acronyms. Just saw this in the clearance section. I got a ton of them. Blazer low Sakai. This is one of the better colorways. I like that gray. And the suede is nice and soft. Got more blazers right here. Animal prints right here. Air Flight 89s. All kinds of Team J's like we've seen pretty much at every other outlet. ISPA Sense Flyknits. Dang, the ISPA stuff go for so much though. Like, people really pay $200, $70 for these? I guess you did get 20 off. This Air Force One high right here, that's away from all the other Air Forces. If you guys are like not familiar with the Air Force One highs, it does come with a strap and you can take them on and off, which is kind of dope. $125. Then dude got these bad boys right here. Witness 7s. Got a trio of these red colorway. Multicolor. Got the 6s. I noticed the Nike sign's different, and then that one has a vertical in it here. Okay. And a ton of these Immortality 2s. This one's pretty cheap. That might be the cheapest we've seen them, especially if you get 20 off on top, so $40. And then Cosmic Unities, pretty cheap, especially with the extra 20 off. And then dude got backpacks right here. The extra 20% off definitely helps. There's another section where they have 20% off edition. All right, was that even in English? All right, so you get an additional 20% off all these. But I did see that these two got red tags on them. The other ones over there don't have red tags, so it seems like you just get a 20 off over there. These you get an extra 20 and 20 off. These are pretty freaking generic though. This one, oh, this one's actually one of the nice ones. But yeah, 92 for these. I don't know what's so special about this one. That's super expensive. Holy cow! I thought it was like an ACG one or something. But yeah, all these $25 for these generic ones. But these right here, they don't have the red tags. So I don't think you get that extra 20 off. They have generic ones, and then they have this one. This is the one I've been thinking about. I went to Torrance just a few minutes ago. They were selling for what? I think it was at 70 there. It's 60 here. But the dope thing is they have different colors. They have different colorways, which is pretty fire. These are 60 for these. And then this one's kind of similar design, but it's not the flight ones. These are $75, so obviously I'll look at the other black one, which is cheaper. And then these right here, these are $55. This is like a faux leather. Super nice material though, but the only problem with this one is it is a lot smaller than the other backpacks that I just showed. And they got these just like regular looking ones. They have the Nike Elite ones go for $60. But I think this one is the business. It does have a pretty big main pocket right here. It's not huge though. It's not huge. This is what my kid uses. I bought a couple of these and he uses one of these. The reason I brought my water bottles, this is why I brought my water bottle in, to see if this can handle the water bottle on the side. It's kind of floppy, so I think I'm gonna have to say no. I really like this backpack, but I just want one with a thicker pocket right here. Thicker, I mean deeper. Like this one is really deep and it really holds a water bottle. Eventually the elastic does wear, but this is for my kiddo. My kiddo's just like hella rough with his backpacks, but that's how kids are, you know. I'm not really mad at him for that, but yeah, I want to try to find these RPMs. These go for $90 though, and they do sell out. So I bought this at the clearance store for like $30 way back when. Dang it, so this ain't gonna do. The RPM backpacks, I grabbed two of them. I grabbed one for myself and one for my kiddo back then, and he loves it. So I'm gonna have to look for one of those, I guess. Dang it. Checking out the women's section. Look at this. $120. So they dropped the price, and you get 20 and 20 on top. Holy cow. I'm not a fan of these, but man, if you are, dude, that is just insane. Wow. And then look at this. Is this the Jordan 1 PSGs? Or did I say Jordan 1? Jordan 6 PSG lows? That is fire. That is fire, dude. To be able to get these for almost 40% off, that is dope. I was like, these weren't in women's. These weren't in women's size. These are men's. Yeah, men's 10. They put them in the women's for whatever reason. But yeah, that is dope. That's dope. Man, dude, I don't really got the funds to grab these. I do, but I know I shouldn't. I just spent $300 on jerseys. Yeah, I definitely should not be buying these. Holy crap. But get it for, dang, these would be what, $125 or something like that? Holy crap. Damn, I'm thinking about these. Dang, dude, I don't have any 6 lows. I love PSG stuff too. I just know I shouldn't be buying stuff. Nah, I should. Dang it. Checking out the women's section even further. Jordan 2s right here, size 9, 7.5 men's, $175. I love that colorway too. Dang. Got them in size 8 here as well. Got these Jordan Air Max, not really. Damn, they got a bunch of these, I just realized. Holy crap. Got some Bruce Lee Cortez right here. Dang, dude. No, those just got attacked by the dogs right there. Holy crap. Yeah, I got these extra small one, size 5. What's that? 3.5 men's? 3.5 grade school? And then got these dunks. I do like the colorway of these dunks a lot. I love that camo right there. Desert camo, size 6.5. Elevates right here, going for $145. All right, moving on to the aisles in the women's section. Got some Jordans, Comfort 2s, Comfort Volume 2s, I don't know. But yeah, I got these bad boys right here. Got them up to size 10. If you want to color that part or paint that part gray. Yeah, if you just paint that part gray, almost the exact same thing. God damn, dude, are these that dusty? Dang, I need to wash. Oh, there's just like some dirt on them, huh? I don't know if it comes out on camera, but yeah, look at that. If that part's just gray, it's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. Dang, wonder how hard it would be to paint that. Got these up to a size 10 right here. Dang, that's not bad for 2020. Oh wait, never mind. You just get one. I was thinking the red, but yeah, you only get 120 off of that one. Chukka 2s, the Woodside Chukka 2s, that is. Air Max Diaz, Blazer mids. Been seeing so many different blazers. This is a canvas one. Got a leather one right here. And yeah, prices falling, all these blazers. That's interesting because all these are marked at $75.97. So I think you can get this for 20% off and 20% off on top of that because it ends in a 97. Air Force One platforms. Another one of these. A plethora of the platforms. Another one with a coin in it, or the one where you could put a coin in it. Next Nature versions right here. Then the OG all white. Now I do got a few Air Maxes, then we'll wrap it up. A couple of 2017s, 270s, then the all black, all white, black and white 97s, some OG gold bad boys right here, then the 90s right here. They do have some random stuff on sale. I did check this section right here because you did get 20 and 20 off, which is pretty fire. So, you know, these are gonna be under 30 bucks or around 30, maybe $32, something like that. And you got a lot of stuff at this going for 20 and 20 off. Not bad. Just random sock selection. You got these Everyday Plus. These are 2 socks right here, 2 pairs, going for $13. Is normal like 18 or 20 or something like that. Yeah, $18 normally. Colors are just random though. Oh, and someone was like, "Are you wearing Jordans with no socks?" No, dude, I just wear no shows. That's what I grew up with, man. Got these lunch boxes right here. These are $20. You get that extra 20 off. And then hats and stuff like that. But yeah, nothing too interesting, to be really honest. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. I hope you guys got plenty of notice about this 20 plus 20 off. I actually went to the Nike outlet, I think Camarillo, on Wednesday, so I could try to get that video out for you guys. Or was that Tuesday? On Tuesday, then I released that on Wednesday, try to get you guys as much notice as possible, because it was only a week for the 20 plus 20 off. So when that happens, you need to rush out there and you need to hit up as many Nike outlets as possible. Not everybody has time, I definitely understand that, but go into as many outlets as possible. That's how you come up. That's what the resellers do, and that's how they make their money. So if you're a collector, you definitely need to go out there and you need to kind of do the same thing, to be really honest, if you want to save as much money as possible. But yeah, that's pretty much about it. That is Long Beach. Long Beach, I haven't been here in a while because historically they just haven't had much the last couple years. Back in the day, they used to have all kinds of returns. This was one of my favorite spots for a while, but you know, things change. It is what it is. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks so much for making it today. Make sure you guys help our boy. Make sure you press that like button. If you're new, subscribe. Make sure you click on that notification bell too, because I do drop tons and tons of videos, more than most sneaker YouTubers. So hopefully you guys appreciate the content. But yeah, I got plenty coming. If you guys really want to support channel, make sure you guys check out the membership program. Just to help with gas, that type of stuff. You guys are generous. Appreciate it. I do have a few members, so I definitely appreciate each and every one of you guys that do help out. Got plenty more coming. I'm gonna hit up a bunch of outlets today. Then tomorrow I'll probably hit up some Ross, and then Sunday I'm gonna head out to to a few other spots. So hopefully I got plenty of content for you guys this week. But yeah, stay tuned. Got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace.